If you've got a MacBook and your screen looks like this, then you probably are going through the same challenges I'm going through and the frustrations of keeping this screen clean and pristine. What's up everybody, my name is AJ. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to safely clean and protect your MacBook screen for the long term. So make sure to avoid using anything like a paper towel or a wet wipe or just a normal towel, like a bath towel, because these things are going to damage your screen and we don't want that. We want everything to be okay, everything to look crisp, but also long term. And ultimately avoid using this thing, chemical based substances like Windex or window cleaner or something like that. Do not use these, because once you use them, long term, this is what your screen is going to look like. And this is what happens when you use chemicals to clean your MacBook. And I'm talking long term here, so this is a quite old laptop, but it just goes to show that there is one way of cleaning it, which Apple recommends, and another way of cleaning it, which I don't recommend, which is using chemicals and other stuff. And that is something we don't want. So make sure you avoid those. Just follow these steps and you'll be good as gold. So to clean your MacBook safely, first of all, you're going to need a microcloth. Next up, you need a glass of lukewarm water. Why? Because that's exactly what Apple recommends when cleaning this device. So make sure you use lukewarm water, not too cold, not too hot. And lastly, you need a clean white towel to place the laptop on while cleaning. So go ahead and lay down your clean white cloth on the table. Then open up your MacBook, turn it off, and then you want to place the MacBook on its tail, just like so. Just like that. Now I want you to get your microfiber cloth. What we are going to do is keep half dry, and the next half are just dabbing it in a little, just like that. And just make sure you squeeze out the water so it becomes wet but not like drenched. Now with a light pressure, we're going to simply wipe across the screen until the dirt and fingerprints are gone. I should be doing this with two hands, but I'm holding the camera. And what you can do is just continuing to wipe it until you see the dirt and the fingerprints are gone. And then you can switch sides and do it again. And I don't want you to press down on this, I just want you to do it gently. Okay? And what we can do is go up here, and up here, and then down here, and then across here as well. Now once you've covered the whole screen, I want you to flip over to the dry side, and I want you to just wipe down the wet and the dirt in similar fashion, okay, with the microfiber on the dry side, gently, nothing, we don't want to go aggressive with this, we just want to be easy. It is a delicate screen, so we just want to take it easy and make sure we're getting all the dirt off and all the fingerprints and all the watermarks now as well, yeah. And if you still have any smudge marks after, go ahead and repeat the process and make sure it's clean. That's all you have to do, is just repeat the process until it's clean. And you'll notice that when you're cleaning, the screen will get smoother as soon as you start cleaning it, which is great. So once you give your final buff and making sure that even the edges have been cleaned off, just give it that final buff. And that, ladies and gents, is how you clean your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air M1 laptop properly, safely, and looking pristine, brand new. Yep, and that's brand new to me. Now I just have to clean these things off, which is fine. I can just rub the wet side off, and then just simply buffer it, and then you're good to go. And there you have it. That's how you safely clean your MacBook, making it look pristine like it's brand new. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment below. I'd really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this valuable. Until the next one, peace.